Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a delicious salsa mix. First, you'll want to gather your fresh ingredients. Choose ripe, firm tomatoes, a crisp onion, and your favorite peppers like jalapenos or serranos. Next, thoroughly wash all your produce. Then, carefully dice the tomatoes, onion, and peppers into small, uniform pieces. Finally, transfer all these freshly chopped vegetables into a large mixing bowl, ready for the next steps. Now, let's infuse your salsa with incredible flavor. Start by adding about 1 teaspoon of ground cumin and 0.5 teaspoon of chili powder to your vegetable mix. These spices provide a warm, earthy base. Next, stir in a handful of freshly chopped cilantro. It adds a bright, herbaceous note. Finally, season with salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste, adjusting until the flavors truly pop. Give it a good stir to combine everything evenly. Once seasoned, decide on your preferred texture. For a chunkier salsa, you can leave it as is. If you prefer a smoother consistency, transfer about 1/3 of the mix to a blender or food processor and pulse a few times, then combine it back with the rest. Next, spoon your fresh salsa into clean, airtight containers. Finally, refrigerate your homemade salsa for at least 30 minutes before serving. This allows all those wonderful flavors to fully meld together. Your homemade salsa is now ready to be enjoyed. It's perfect served alongside a big bowl of crispy tortilla chips or as a zesty topping for tacos, burritos, or grilled chicken. Don't be afraid to get creative. Try adding a touch of sweetness with diced mango or pineapple for a unique twist. For more great tips and deals, and to find a book that can truly change how you think about money, make sure to check out the description below this video. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.